Okay, so here's product review of a Paslode 30-degree framing nailer. I just picked it up at Home Depot a couple of days ago. Pretty spendy little item. Oh, it's a CF325. I guess it's the new model, not the old one, and all the stuff for the old is not compatible. It takes different fuel cells than the old one. I never had any experience with the old one. I did have prior to this, an older Bostitch, framing nailer. But for here in this house, I'm going from the basement to the second floor, and to the attic and all over the place. And there's no power in the house, so using a pneumatic one, unless I bought a, a really expensive gas-powered air compressor, is not really an option. So I pretty much picked one of these up because I'm putting up a beam the length of this, made with 2x12s, and I can't really hold it and nail it at the same time, so it was pretty much a must buy. But I used it yesterday, and I have to say I am quite impressed. It's a lot lighter than the Bostitch aluminum nailer. Now I don't have one of the newer magnesium ones. I just have the older aluminum one's about 10 years old, but I have to say I'm quite impressed. It's really quiet. You can hear it run there. I ran it all day yesterday on one charge. The only thing that kind of sucks about it is it only comes with one battery, and the batteries are $40, but I don't know how long they're going to last. I'll probably pick up another one. And it did come with a fuel cell. No nails, though, which is, for as expensive as these things are, it's kind of crappy, but I'm pretty impressed. It has no trouble driving nails into this old oak. I really didn't expect it to be able to do that, but it has no trouble shooting them in there and shooting them flush, which I was really surprised at. So I'm quite impressed. Again, that is the CF325. I got it at Home Depot. I don't know where else you can buy it, but say if you're doing something like this where you're going, from the basement to the second floor up there and everything in between, and tripping over air hoses is not really a viable solution, then it is a pretty good product. Definitely no complaints. It's oh, it does use a different type gas cartridge than the other Paslode stuff, if that's a concern, or if you've got other Paslode stuff. It does use a different gas cylinder. Same battery, I think, but it's definitely a nice machine. I've been using the crap out of it the last couple of days with no problems whatsoever. It just keeps on going, and I've been using the same battery, so for I guess a day and a half or thereabouts. So that's pretty much all I can think to say about it.